Hi, I'm Natalie with Brand EasyLiner. We offer an easy and decorative way to help tackle everyday cleaning and organizing projects. The EasyLiner brand features a wide range of non-adhesive shelf liners that are practical for just about every area of the home. These include Select Grip, Smooth Top, Solid Grip, and Clear Classic EasyLiner. These liners are easy to cut, install, replace, and position, but they stay in place until you're ready to move them. Our non-adhesive liners are all designed with a specific use case in mind for optimal performance. Select Grip is ideal for drawers and utility cabinets. The grip surface top and bottom provides cushioning and protection while also holding items in place. These are machine washable for easy cleanup. Select Grip is available in 12 and 20-inch widths and in a variety of colors and styles. Smooth Top is great for cabinets in your kitchen, bath, or laundry room. It features a smooth top surface so you can easily slide items across, and a non-slip grip bottom keeps the liner in place. The smooth surface is easy to wipe clean and is machine washable. Smooth Top is available in 12 and 20-inch widths in a variety of colors and patterns. Solid Grip is perfect for wire racks in closets and pantries. It features a solid, non-slip top surface to prevent crumbs, spills, and small objects from falling through. The premium cushion grip bottom protects surfaces from spills or leaks while also keeping everything in place. Plus, the smooth surface is easy to wipe clean and is machine washable. Solid Grip is available in 12 and 20-inch widths in a variety of colors, such as black, gray, taupe, and white. Clear Classic works well for refrigerators, wire racks, and outdoor areas. It features a textured, solid top to keep surfaces dry and prevents objects from falling through, while the grip bottom holds the liner and your items in place. It's even safe for food contact. The top surface is easy to wipe clean and is also dishwasher safe. Clear Classic is available in 12, 18, 20, and 24-inch widths. As you can see, we have a variety of non-adhesive shelf liners with uses that fit your specific organizing needs. Find out more about EasyLiner shelf liner offerings at duckbrand.com.